Now, I've made over $100 million online over the years in my businesses, which is great for me, obviously, but how does that help you? And in this video, I'm going to compress 2.5 decades of trial and error into a starter sequence that you can copy. I'll show you how I'd make it all over again if I had to start all over from zero today. Now, first, we'd have to pick a business model to get started. And starting from scratch, if I had only 20 bucks in my pocket and maybe a phone, and I'd have to pick a single strategy to start all over, I would choose to make money from the beginning with affiliate marketing. Now, this would be my starting point, my foot in the door, so to speak. And I'll explain why in just a minute. But first, I've got to tell you that my answer, it actually might terrify you when you hear it, because I have seen so many people run away in fear from the idea that I'm about to share with you. But they shouldn't, because using AI today, what I'm going to show you unlocks an amazing money-making strategy that might have scared you away in the past. But thanks to AI, it makes it comfortable, makes it easy, and you can do something that you may never have thought you could before. And if you stick around through this video, I will even help you, personally help you get started doing this for free. And not only will I help you for free, I'm even going to pay you to get started. So let's dive in. And I'm going to get right to it. One of the most powerful ways for a brand new entrepreneur to make money with affiliate marketing is to build a presence, a brand, so to speak, using social media to promote their affiliate links. And to a lot of people, they worry because they don't want to be some sort of weirdo on social media shilling for scammy products on the internet. And I get it. Totally understand, because not everyone wants to show up on camera and put their reputation at stake. Perhaps you do. If you're like me, I'm comfortable being on camera and I don't mind using my name, my brand, my voice. And what I'm going to show you today works incredibly well if you're willing to do those things. But for most people, just the thought of doing that makes you feel anxiety. And if that's you, stay tuned, because I have a solution for you too, because we have two paths to go down in today's training. So for those who are brave enough, that you can make a lot of money doing this. And the problem with this first path is that many entrepreneurs, they get in their own way before they ever even get started. You know, I think a lot of people have some of that mental baggage that might prevent them from moving forward, being a brand, putting their face on things and getting out there on the internet. And they don't know what to say. Maybe they don't know what to say in a Facebook post, or if they have a website or a blog, or they're afraid to be on camera, or maybe some people don't want to use social media at all. And if that's you, stick around. I have an AI-based solution that will help you build a powerful money-making presence online, and you don't even have to show your face, use your voice, or even use your own name. With the power of AI, there's a second path. So we got path one, which is to build your brand, which I'll talk about in a moment. And path two uses AI to do the same thing. And with this new second path, you don't have to ever record a video, make a post, or even record your voice at all. And you can still generate a sizable commission with affiliate marketing using the strategies I'm going to talk about. So there is no excuse not to have an online brand and to get started with affiliate marketing using it, because you don't have to put your face, your voice, there's no camera work if you don't want to, and you don't even need to know what to say. All right. There's only, if you have absolutely no clue what to say in your marketing to be able to generate affiliate commissions, you're only a couple minutes away from the right content, because now we have AI. So if you just have the right prompts to copy and paste into AI, it will tell you exactly what you should say, or what you can make your AI avatar say for you. So now, contrary to what everyone is going to tell you, AI can make really good content that actually helps people if you know how to use it right. Some people might call it AI slop, and they might downplay it. But I am telling you, AI done right can make helpful, useful, fantastic content. So I would love to know. I would like if you could drop into the comments down below and let me know which path of these two paths. Number one is putting out your own brand, being involved in social media and building your name in a niche market that you would be comfortable doing. That's path one. Path two is using an AI avatar to do it for you instead. I'd like to see your vote. Vote down in the comments below and let me know which one would you choose. Number one, number two, but I'll bet some of you will even say both. But let me know down there. Drop in the comments and tell me which one you would like to try out. And this isn't a trick question, actually, because both of these paths are good paths, depending upon your unique skills and what you're willing to do. You can show up on camera and build a personal brand, or you just have AI do all that heavy lifting on your behalf. You just pick the right path for you, and then you join what I have is a upcoming 4-day sprint. And that is for 4 days, I'm going to show you live how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. So head on over to the link that I put in the description below. I'll drop it into the description and in the comments below. Go visit that link and sign up. It's totally free. There's zero catch. I'm just going to show up and we're going to do some training together, and it's going to be incredibly helpful for you and for me. I'll explain in a minute. You'll really want to catch this because instead of making this a paid workshop, it's totally free to join. There's no VI. By the way, I know a lot of people will say it's free and then they hit you with an upsell for the quote unquote VIP upgrade. No bait and switch, nothing behind the form that you see down below. You fill it out and you join. That's it. There's no sneaky VIP upgrade, upsells, anything like that. Just you and I working together to generate affiliate commissions. We're going to do it together. We're going to share in the revenue, and I'm going to explain why in just a minute. And this training costs you absolutely nothing. And beyond the incredible price, there's another difference too. What I'll be showing you is not some complicated strategy or a magic marketing formula. What I'm going to teach you is incredibly simple, and yet it is highly profitable. So if you're already doing affiliate marketing, I will show you a way to make even more commissions than you're already making. And if you've never made a dime yet with affiliate marketing, and you have no clue where to get started, I've got you covered too. There's no audience required, no ads, no tech headaches, and we start Monday. So this coming Monday, jump on with me. And not only is the Buildy 4-day affiliate sprint free, I'm putting up $10,000 in cash and prizes for those of you who take action. So join, jump in, and I will reward you along the way for all of the action takers who implement what we go through during our 4 days together. Now, I'm inviting you to partner with me. So this is how it's going to work. We're going to work together. You're going to team up with me. We're going to partner, and we're going to do this in 4 short sessions, and you'll leave with something real. You'll have your first post live. You'll have a clear path to getting clicks, leads, and commissions. I suspect many of you will have your first commissions coming in before we ever finish the challenge. And this is not a course that drags on for months. It's a sprint that takes just 4 days. So you're going to promote my product. So that is why I'm doing this free. And this is how we both win. By you promoting my product as an affiliate, I will approve you to be able to promote our private affiliate program. So now, when I teach you how to do this and you win, you're helping me sell my products and I win. So we're going to share in the revenue together, and you're going to earn commissions on every single sign up you send when you implement the strategies that I teach you. This is why I'm going to make it incredibly simple. I want anyone to be able to jump in and promote the Buildy affiliate program and have success. So you win, I win, everyone's happy. And that's why I'm also putting my own prize money. So if you've wondered why on earth would I put up $10,000 in prizes and cash on the line, it's because I want to get you over the starting line. I see so many people that try to start some kind of online business or make money online in some way, and they're kind of like stuck in the starting gate. They very rarely make it out and actually start getting real revenue coming in. So if you've ever wanted to make money with affiliate marketing, then I would bet you've probably watched too many videos, you've saved too many tips, You have subscribed to many different gurus lists, and at the end of the day, you probably made little to no commissions. And so you don't need more theory. What you need is a short plan. You need a product that pays, and you need someone to say, here, click here, say this, here, post this, use this tool. And that's what this sprint that we're going to do together gives you. It's in 4 highly focused sessions. We're going to use one simple system. You're going to have 2 paths. So if you are willing to put your name and face on a brand, awesome. I'm going to teach you how. If you're not willing to do that, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools to make your own personal avatar to do it for you. Now, these are results that you're going to be able to show, not just talk. So we're going to start on Monday, and by Thursday night, you should have a finished product. You should have at least 1 post live. You should have real clicks coming in. Probably some of you will have your first signups. So it's really simple. You'll follow my training, hit published, collect the proof, and you get prize money. So all through the sprint, as you take action and actually do things, you're going to be rewarded with incentives and prizes and cash along the way to help motivate and inspire you to keep going. And during this sprint, I will show you exactly where to click, and you can even use my exact words. So I can even give you scripts that you can copy and paste. And you can place your affiliate link in just the right spots that I'll show you, and you'll leave with live assets out there on the internet that will promote and help earn you commissions every time you show this off. Now, because you're partnering with me, you're not going to waste days hunting for offers. If you've ever tried to do that, you've ever tried to go out to affiliate networks and get approved just to promote the products, most of the time they reject you, and it's really hard. Well, here, no problem. Just sign up below and you'll get approved. So you're going to get a ready-to-go product that you can promote. You're going to get real hands-on support from my team. You're going to get a direct line to me and my team. And we're going to join together for 4 days live to do this all together. And day 1, it's the spark. That's where we're going to be helping to zero in and pick your ideal audience. Who are you going to speak to generate your affiliate commissions? We're going to choose your style, whether you're doing human, yourself on camera, or you're doing faceless using AI. We're going to draft 5 quick hooks together. No overthinking it. I will help you do that. So we're going to come up with who exactly you're going to be reaching out to make money from your affiliate commissions. And then on day 2, it's the blueprint. So click by click, we're going to work together. We're going to use Build the AI, my tool, to do that. And we're going to create something that is super easy that you can use to generate money. And it will all make sense as we join together in our sprint. Now, on day 3, that's when the magic really starts to happen. We're going to record, we're going to post, whether it's you on camera, doing a 30 to 45 second talking demo, or maybe it's faceless. You'll use AI to make a short screen recording. Whether you use your voice or you make your own voice, your own face, I'm going to show you how to do it. I can even give you the script to use, and you'll post it together while we're live. The first of you will be posting these videos online, and that's when we get to day 4. And that's when we get eyeballs on your videos. We're going to show you how to distribute that content, these videos that we're going to make together. We're going to show you how you can collect emails and build your own list if you want to. And we're going to show you how to keep the clicks coming without ever having to spend a dime on ads. Okay. And then at the end, you submit what you have created, and you'll be able to win prizes for having taken action and completed the challenge. So at the very least, you can go into the $10,000 prize pool. My hope is that you start to make your first ever affiliate commission. I feel confident that I can get you to do it. I just need you to follow the steps and take the actions. And then, also, I want to just kind of handle a couple of things that people might be thinking about when it comes to joining this. Maybe you're thinking you need an audience, right? You need some sort of existing presence online or a list or something. No, you do not. You do not need an audience. You do not even need to have a website. You don't need anything. You can start from literally zero, and we're going to show you how to get the first views, the first comments, the first clicks, and your first commissions with zero starting out from. Some people might be worried, well, hey, I'm not good on camera. No problem. Go faceless. We're going to show you how to use AI to do this for you so you don't need to put your face on this. Maybe some of you might be worried that it's complex and complicated. It's not. It's literally click here, paste this, follow this, do this. I'm going to go step by step by step, and I'll show you on screen so you can follow along. And the videos that we're going to do together are recorded. So if you need to rewind and watch back again, got you covered. It's all recorded so that you can watch over and over and over again and just follow my simple instructions. Some of you might be worried about you're going to have to sell or look like you're pitching weird stuff to strangers on the internet. Well, don't worry about that. We're going to be showing something incredibly helpful, incredibly useful. We're going to be helping people. We're not going to be selling things, and you don't need to put your face on it if you don't want to. Now, some people might be worried that there's some upsell after you sign up down below, and there absolutely is not. You're going to go straight in. We're going to be holding this 4-day sprint inside of our school group. So you'll sign up here. On the next page, it's going to encourage you to go sign up and join us in school, which is where we host our group. And that's where our live training will be. All the lessons will be, the written and video lessons. And the ticket, again, it's free. Everything here to start up and all the training and education I'm going to give you is absolutely free. I'm not selling a course or a training or something like that. You're going to be promoting a product that I build. So when you get paid, I get a customer. Right? So our goals are aligned. We both make money. When you succeed, I succeed. And I don't succeed until that happens. Don't forget, I am so committed to this that I'm putting up $10,000 worth of stuff and cash and prizes to reward action takers. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow my steps. We're going to talk about real world posts that you'll make, videos that you'll create, and things that you're going to do with Build the AI. And when you submit them for proof, you're eligible for the prizes. So the more you do, the more actions you take, the more of the prizes that you can win. We're going to be doing spot prizes, giving things out all throughout the whole process. And if you can do it, you can win. And so the ticket is free. We're going to have 4 live sessions together, and they'll be short. We're going to do extensive Q&A. So for those of you who want to stay on into Q&A, we will. But the training portion will be an hour or less each day. And you're going to have an incredible product that you're going to promote and getting commission while helping people at the same time. And you're going to get everything, the scripts, the captions, the copying and pasting instructions. We have some prompts I'm going to give you. And remember, you have 2 paths. 1, human, you get to do it if you want. 2, faceless, where you can have AI do it for you. And there's the prize pool for action takers. So this is your chance to partner with someone who's done $100 million online in revenue. I've been doing this for 25 years. I've learned a thing or two along the way, and I would love to partner with you. This is your chance to team up with me for us to make some money together. So check it out down below. Save your spots. We're going to be starting on Monday, and you need to register now so I can make sure that you get your seat and you get everything you need prior to us getting started. And then just show up and follow the instructions. I'm going to guide you through the whole thing. And then by next Thursday night, you're going to have something that you made, posts that you published, and results that you can actually show. So join us in the Buildy 4-day affiliate sprint. It's free. We start Monday. Let's get you a win and earn some commissions together. I'll see you inside.